In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Skype from running automatically when you start up your Windows computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So depending on what version of Windows you're running, it's going to be slightly different. If you are running Windows 7, you're going to have to open up the Start menu and just type in msconfig. Best match should come back with System Configuration above Desktop App. Just left click on that. And then you want to go underneath the Startup tab. However, on Windows 10, it's going to prompt you to open up Task Manager. So just left click on that. So if you are running a newer version of Windows, you're welcome to follow this method as well. Personally, just trying to get to Task Manager, you just right click on the taskbar and then left click on Task Manager. Anyway, if we go underneath name, you want to look for something that says Skype. So once you find whatever the startup item is that says Skype, you want to uncheck the box next to it if you're on an earlier version of Windows, and then left click on Apply and OK. If you're running Windows 10, just left click on whatever the name of it is, and then left click on Disable. And once status is disabled, you should be good to go. If you ever want to go back in and re-enable it, that's easy enough to do. Just left click on it once again, and then left click on Enable down here. And there we go, pretty straightforward. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.